Hello, my name is Topaz Wise, and this is Lila. I'm from Expressive Arts Burlington. Imagine the life of a bowl. A bowl is created perhaps by an artist or by a manufacturing factory. It finds itself on the line, it goes to a store, somebody buys it, somebody brings it into their home. Perhaps it's a family, perhaps many people use the bowl. Perhaps only one person uses the bowl, and it's their favorite bowl. And then one day, an accident happens, and the bowl breaks. Is the bowl worthless? Do we throw it away? Or do we repair it? Same thing for our lives. When something goes wrong, when something breaks, do we give up or do we move forward? Hopefully we move forward. Hopefully we move forward, and that little crack that came from that thing that happened, it moves forward with us, and it becomes part of the beauty of who we are. The philosophy of wabi-sabi that comes from Japan speaks directly to that. And the Kintsugi bowl experience is based on the philosophy that the history of a bowl speaks to the worth of that bowl, just as the history of a life speaks to the worth of that life.